This code demonstrates the use of indexers on the list and dictionary data types. These data types are data structures. An indexer is code that gives access to a property in an element of a list or dictionary data type to get or set its value. An element is the value that is stored in each cell of the data structure. A list of dictionary data type can store value types like int or struct, or reference types like class objects, references. Access to any element properties for get and set are instant for dictionary data types, even for a large number of elements. The dictionary data type is great when there is a large number of elements. This file contains one namespace, indexer's namespace, and 3 classes: the person class, indexer class 2, and indexer class 3. The person class is used for the element data for the list data structure and the dictionary data structure. Here's the code. Namespace, indexer's namespace. Public class person. Public string SSN get set. Public string name get set. SSN and name are the properties of this class. This is the data. Public person parameters string SSN string name. This is the constructor. So when I instantiate an object of type person class, I will pass it an SSN and a name, and those values get assigned here. After the instantiation, the object variable has these values and access to the methods of this class. Public class, indexer class 2. List person, list of people equals new list person. This instantiates this variable list of people to a list object that has references as elements to person objects. Public indexer class 2. This constructor is given by default. If you do not give it, it won't show it in the code. Public string this parameter string SSN. This part right here, from here to this closing brace, is the indexer. Here's the get indexer. It returns the value of the property name. Return list of people .first or default. This is called a lambda expression. It finds in the list of elements the SSN that matches the incoming SSN here. And when it finds it, the first one, it returns the value in the property name. Set indexer set. List of people .first or default lambda expression. It sets the value of the property name. The way this is accessed is like this. On this one, it's like this. Public void display list of people. This will display the list that's currently stored in this variable of elements. displays the person's social security number and the name. Public void add a person, person. List of people that add person. This variable reference object is passed in here, and a reference is added in the list called list of people. Public class index for class 3. Dictionary string person dictionary list of people equals new dictionary string person. This is the key. This is the data. Public index for class 3. This constructor is added by default. If you do not give it, it won't show it in the code. This is the indexer. Public string this, parameter string SSN. Here's the get and set indexers of the indexer. Return dictionary list of people, ssn.name, returns the value in the property name. Dictionary list of people, the SSN key.name is set to a new value. Here's how to add a person, public void, add a person, pass in a person object here. Dictionary list of people dot add person SSN person. Public void display list of people for each key value pair string person and dictionary list of people. Console.write person's SSN is person.key. This is the SSN value. This doesn't put a new line at the end of the console. Console.write line. This is the property name value. And this will all appear on one line since no new line was put at the end of this print statement. The program starts here in this class, program start class. This can be any name. I could call this class A, class B, class C, class program. And the code starts executing here at public static void main. Here's in the parameters an array of strings S from if you pass any command line arguments when starting the execution of this program. Console.clear puts all the data at the top of the console. Console.write line, blank line, console.write line, list example display. Instantiating for the list, that's what the L means, person 1 equals new person, social security number, and name. Same for person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5. So 5 elements are going to be added to the dictionary. Instantiating, I apologize, not dictionary of the list. This is the list part for list. Index of class 2 is for list. This is the instantiation command. IC2 is set to new index of class 2. IC2.add a person. So 5 new elements are added here. The list is displayed here. This is a method in the index of class 2. IC2, so the social security number as the key is equal to Sue. The indexer set is used in this class. This is the class index of class 2, and the set is used right here, setting a new value to the property name. Console.write line, indexer set used to change the name Oliver to the name Sue. IC2 sub the social security number as the key. Indexer get is used. Right here, indexer get of index of class index of class 2. Return list of people dot first or default lambda expression dot name, so returning the value. Moving forward, display list of people. It's a method. IC2.display list of people to see the new list with the one change from Oliver to Sue. Blank line. Another message. Instantiating 5 person objects for the dictionary. That's what D stands for. With a social security number and name. Instantiating IC3 index of class 3 equals new index of class 3. This is a variable. IC3.add a person, add 5 people to the dictionary. Display the dictionary. Change the name Henry to Sue. Henry is the third one added right here. Set is used in the indexer. See how that works. Going up here. Here's the indexer. Here's the set. The SSN is passed in here. Dictionary list of people. Direct access right here. SSN.name is set to value. Name is the property. Console.writeLine indexer set used to change the name Henry to the name Sue. Indexer get used to get the value right here with this social security number. Put a blank line. Put another message and display the list. Alright, thank you very much.